Welcome to the Penetration Tester Career Guide. A penetration tester, also known as an ethical hacker, is a cybersecurity professional who tests systems by attempting to break in just like real attackers would. But here's the key difference. They do this with permission and authorization to help organizations find and fix security vulnerabilities before malicious hackers can exploit them. So what exactly does a penetration tester do? Their primary role is to simulate real-world cyberattacks on systems, networks, and applications to identify security vulnerabilities before malicious hackers find them. Their key objective is to find weaknesses in security defenses using the same techniques and tools that attackers use, but with authorization and ethical intent. Think of them as friendly hackers who help protect organizations. To become a successful penetration tester, you need 4 core skill areas. First, security knowledge, a deep understanding of network security, cryptography, and common vulnerabilities known as the OWASP Top 10. Second, technical expertise, knowledge of Linux and Windows systems administration, networking protocols, and database management. Third, hacking tools, proficiency with tools like Metasploit, Burp Suite, Wireshark, and Nmap. And fourth, reporting skills, the ability to communicate your findings and recommendations clearly to non-technical stakeholders. Penetration testing follows a structured methodology with 4 main phases. Phase 1 is reconnaissance, where you gather information about target systems. Phase 2 is scanning, where you identify open ports and services running on those systems. Phase 3 is exploitation, where you attempt to actually exploit the vulnerabilities you've discovered. And Phase 4 is reporting, where you document all your findings and provide recommendations for remediation. This systematic approach ensures thorough and professional testing. Several key tools form the foundation of a penetration tester's toolkit. Metasploit is a comprehensive framework for developing and executing exploits. Burp Suite is a web application security testing platform that's essential for testing web vulnerabilities. Nmap is a network scanning and reconnaissance tool that helps discover open ports and services. Wireshark is a network packet analyzer and protocol debugger that captures and analyzes network traffic. John the Ripper is a password cracking tool used to test password strength. And Hashcat is a fast GPU-based password recovery tool. Mastering these tools is crucial for the job. Now let's talk about compensation and career growth. The average annual salary for a penetration tester ranges from $95,000 to $130,000 or more. There's high demand for cybersecurity professionals globally, with a critical shortage of skilled penetration testers. This means excellent job security and career growth opportunities. Additionally, industry certifications matter significantly. Earning certifications like Certified Ethical Hacker, Offensive Security, Certified Professional, or GIAC Penetration Tester can increase your earning potential substantially. Here's a typical career progression pathway. In your first year, you focus on foundation and learning, mastering networking, systems administration, and security fundamentals while preparing for Security Plus or Certified Ethical Hacker certification. From 1 to 3 years as a junior penetration tester, you gain hands-on experience with penetration testing tools and earn certifications like CEH or OSCP. From 3 to 5 years and beyond as a senior penetration tester, you lead penetration testing engagements, manage teams, and develop custom exploitation techniques. Finally, you can specialize further into red team operations, vulnerability research, or security architecture roles. 4 key certifications can advance your penetration testing career. The Certified Ethical Hacker, or CEH, is an entry-level certification covering hacking methodology and tools, making it beginner-friendly. The Offensive Security Certified Professional, or OSCP, is a hands-on penetration testing certification with a practical exam and is highly respected in the industry. The GIAC Penetration Tester, or GPEN, is an advanced certification demonstrating real-world penetration testing skills, considered intermediate to advanced. And CompTIA Security Plus is a foundation-level certification covering IT security basics and fundamentals, making it a good starting point. Each certification builds on previous knowledge and increases your market value. Why should you consider becoming a penetration tester? First, you get to protect organizations by helping companies defend against real cyber threats and data breaches. Your work directly impacts security and saves companies from potentially devastating attacks. Second, you engage in problem solving by solving complex security puzzles and discovering innovative exploitation techniques. If you love challenges and intellectual puzzles, this career is incredibly rewarding. Third, you enjoy continuous learning because technology evolves constantly, keeping you engaged with cutting-edge security research and new attack vectors. You'll never stop learning in this field. Ready to launch your career in penetration testing? Here's your roadmap. First, learn fundamentals by starting with networking and Linux. Build a strong technical foundation through courses and practice labs. Second, practice with tools using platforms like Hack the Box and Try Hack Me to gain hands-on experience safely in legal environments. Third, earn certifications by obtaining Certified Ethical Hacker or Offensive Security, certified professional to validate your skills and increase marketability to employers. And fourth, build your career by starting as a junior penetration tester and advancing through experience and continuous learning. The cybersecurity field needs talented people like you, and penetration testing is one of the most rewarding and in-demand specialties.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.